You want it, I know. A panko and Parmesan crusted chicken breast that's griddled crispy. I put some ham, very thin, nice diesel ham, and then I put some bacon, and then I put some Swiss cheese on it. Well, boy howdy, I always wanted to start a video with that. Big Papa here, we're gonna make a really great chicken sandwich. I made one for a big restaurant chain that's similar to it, but we made some changes. I always talked about being prepared. The greatest part is I got everything done. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you the ingredients now, and then we're gonna bread the chicken, and we're gonna take it out to the griddle, the teppanyaki, and we're gonna cook it. Then we're gonna bring it back here, and we're gonna assemble this sandwich. And I think this sandwich, I'd like to call it Oklahoma cordon bleu, because my mom's from Oklahoma, because what it's got is it's got a panko and Parmesan crusted chicken breast that's griddled crispy. Then I put some ham, very thin, nice diesel ham, and then I put some bacon, and then I put some Swiss cheese on it. Then I've got some lettuce, I have some tomatoes sliced, I have the chicken, I've got Desert Gold that I'm going to use on the chicken and in the breading, and Little Louis, because you always got to use Little Louis. It's just great. It's pepper, it's salt, it's garlic. It's everything you want in your favorite seasoning salt and more. There we have melted garlic butter. This is really simple. This is a half a cube with about a half a teaspoon of garlic out of a tube. And this is what we're going to baste on our bun. So you see all the players here. Now we're going to go to breading them. Okay, here comes some fun. Time to bread our chicken. Now we've got beaten eggs here, which we're going to add just a little bit, Little Louis. Now we got Desert Gold, and I love it in the breading. It's so good. In fact, open it up. This is going to be the X factor to great breading. Stir it up, mix it up. I got a little flour there, some real panko. That's what these people said it was. I don't know what real panko is, but I bought it. I believed him. So this is an example of being pretty creative, and it just works so good. So we're going to go one dip in the egg, a dip in the panko, and because I'm not Little Papa, I'm Big Papa, let's double dip. There's 3 eggs in here beat for 2 pieces. Parmesan in here too, so nice umami, nice cheese flavor. Remember, we're double dipping. Now it's always good to let these rest and let all the breading kind of soak in. So we're going to do that, and then we'll be outside very shortly. Pretty cool. Okay, here we go, the fun part, building this sandwich. Oil. Just give the cutouts a little bit of oil. Okay. About 4 minutes on the timer. Got our ham heated up. And 4 pieces of bacon. And the bacon's partially cooked, which I really like. It's from Trader Joe's. And the cooler side. Check tip, getting pretty close already. Oh yeah, you betcha. Pull this aside here. Finish release some avocado oil here. Is that beautiful? Oh, bacon, bacon, bacon. Swiss cheese. Chicken 151 with the melting dome on it. Our bun, let's get this side warmed up first. Then we have our garlic butter. Stir it up really good. Make sure I get them toasted really nice. God, I can smell the garlic butter. I wish this camera had smell-o-vision. I think you'd really like it. This is fun stuff. I love cooking, as you know, and I love creating fun dishes. Just a little toast here and we're golden. Okay, these are done. So I'm going to do, move these down here. Move these to the hot zone to get them nice and caramelized. Got our red leaf lettuce.